Imagine a world where diseases that once seemed insurmountable are now easily treated, where broken bones heal faster than ever, and where human lives are transformed by technology that works at the molecular level. This isn't a distant dream, it's the reality shaped by nanotechnology. How can such tiny structures hold the keys to monumental advancements in medicine? Stick around, and you'll uncover how nanotechnology is revolutionizing the future of biomedical innovations, changing the way we understand health and disease. To understand the impact of nanotechnology in the biomedical field, we must first appreciate its scale. Picture this: a nanometer is 1/1,000,000th of a meter. For context, a human hair is about 80,000 to 100,000 nanometers wide. This mind-boggling smallness allows scientists to interact with biological systems in ways that were previously unimaginable. Think of it as stepping into a hidden world where you can target components of life itself. By manipulating materials at this scale, we delve into the potential to design solutions that can interact seamlessly with cells and molecules, unlocking outcomes that hold incredible promise for our future. You might be wondering, what specific kinds of innovations are we talking about? Let's dive into a few groundbreaking examples. First up is drug delivery. Traditional methods of delivering medications often lead to side effects that can be debilitating, leaving many patients struggling with the aftereffects of treatments meant to help them. In contrast, nanotechnology allows for targeted drug delivery systems, often referred to as smart drugs. These tiny particles can be designed to recognize specific cells, such as cancer cells, and release medication directly where it's needed, minimizing the damage to healthy tissues. Imagine chemotherapy that targets only cancer cells without affecting surrounding healthy ones. This targeted approach can profoundly change outcomes and quality of life for patients. But that's not the only arena where nanotechnology is making waves. Let's not forget diagnostics. You might find it astonishing to learn that nanoparticles are now being used to enhance the sensitivity of tests, making it possible to diagnose diseases at stages previously deemed impossible. For example, researchers have developed diagnostic tests using gold nanoparticles that can detect the biomarkers of diseases like cancer in mere drops of blood. This innovation could lead to earlier detection and significantly improved survival rates for patients. These advancements promise a future where we can catch diseases before they take hold, a true game-changer in the arena of public health. As we explore these incredible advancements, consider how these small particles are revolutionizing the development of vaccines and therapies. The COVID-19 pandemic has highlighted how rapidly science can evolve, and nanotechnology has played a vital role in this progression. Nanoparticle-based vaccines have shown potential to elicit strong immune responses. The lipid nanoparticles used in mRNA vaccines are a brilliant example. They encapsulate the vaccine's mRNA, allowing it to enter human cells effortlessly, triggering an immune response against the virus. This means not only quicker response times to emerging illnesses but also safer, more effective vaccines. How's that for a paradigm shift in public health? Here's something you didn't expect. Nanotechnology isn't limited to medications and diagnostics, it's also enhancing medical devices. Imagine applications where tiny sensors could monitor your health in real time, detecting deviations before you even realize something is wrong. Researchers are working on nanodevices that can be implanted inside the body to continuously track various health metrics. This real-time monitoring could alert healthcare providers to potential health issues before they escalate, leading to timely interventions and potentially saving lives. It's easy to picture a future where chronic diseases like diabetes are managed more effortlessly thanks to tiny, automated systems working tirelessly within us. You might be wondering about the future implications of these advancements. With the rise of personalized medicine, the impact of nanotechnology becomes even more profound. This approach tailors treatment and prevention strategies to the individual characteristics of each patient, often down to their genetic makeup. Nanotechnology plays a critical role in this bespoke treatment paradigm by allowing the development of highly specific therapeutic agents and personalized drug delivery systems. By marrying genomics with nanotechnology, we can foresee a time when treatments are strategically designed to fit the unique biology of each person. If that doesn't pique your curiosity, what could? The intersection of nanotechnology and biotechnology is also fostering exciting revelations in tissue engineering. Scientists are now exploring how nanofibers can act as scaffolding to grow new tissues. This exciting avenue holds the possibility of regenerating damaged organs, a prospect that could render traditional organ transplants less necessary. The ability to create functional organs from a patient's own cells would eliminate the risk of rejection and the need for lifelong immunosuppression. Such advancements could redefine the limits of human health and lifespan, offering hope to those with organ failures or degenerative diseases. As we venture further into this rich topic, consider the implications of enhanced antimicrobial treatments made possible by nanotechnology. With the specter of antibiotic resistance looming ominously over global health, there's an urgent need for innovative solutions. Nanotechnology offers the potential to develop new classes of antimicrobials that are effective against resistant strains of bacteria. Silver nanoparticles, for example, have proven antimicrobial properties and are being integrated into a range of products, from wound dressings to kitchenware, effectively reducing the risk of infections and potentially rewriting the story of infection control. But let's pause for a moment. Are there risks associated with these innovations? It's imperative to approach this topic with a balanced mindset. The power of nanotechnology comes with challenges, notably regarding safety and regulation. Are the nanoparticles safe for human use? What are their long-term effects on human health and the environment? These are critical questions that researchers and regulatory bodies must address as these technologies evolve. Each breakthrough brings with it a responsibility to ensure safety without hindering progress. This calls for rigorous testing, transparency, and ongoing vigilance to safeguard both patients and the environment from unforeseen consequences. Now that we've traversed the promising landscape of biomedical innovations shaped by nanotechnology, let's talk about one more monumental application: cancer treatment. Cancer remains one of the leading causes of death worldwide, but researchers are exploring how nanotechnology can revolutionize the way we approach this formidable foe. Nanoparticles can be engineered not only to deliver drugs directly to tumors but also for imaging and diagnostic purposes. For example, nanoparticles can be used in fluorescence imaging to identify cancerous cells during surgery, ensuring that no malignant cells are left behind. This layered approach not only enhances treatment efficacy but also reduces recurrence rates. Imagine a future where surgeries are more targeted and precise, leading to improved outcomes and fewer complications. This could be the future of surgical oncology, all thanks to nanotechnology. In this exhilarating narrative filled with revelations about the transformative power of nanotechnology in biomedicine, we must remain mindful of the ethics surrounding its use. The integration of technology and healthcare brings forth questions about equity and access. Will these innovations be accessible to everyone, or will they only be available to those who can afford them? Addressing these inequality concerns is critical to ensuring that all populations benefit from these technological advances. As we begin to draw this exploration to a close, let's focus on the larger perspective. Each of these innovations, from drug delivery systems and advanced diagnostics to tissue engineering and personalized medicine, builds a mosaic of hope for a healthier future. Nanotechnology's promise extends far beyond the microscopic. It symbolizes a crucial shift in how we can confront diseases that once seemed unbeatable. It represents a beacon of hope for patients, healthcare providers, and scientists alike. In reflecting on everything we've discussed, we now arrive at a powerful realization: the future of medicine is not merely about technology, it's about the human experience. Every innovation in nanotechnology does not just represent a scientific breakthrough, it manifests the very essence of hope, resilience, and our never-ending quest for improved health outcomes. The stories we're shaping today, the lives we're touching through these nanotechnologies, are poised to create a ripple effect that will undoubtedly transform global health paradigms for generations to come. What comes next will leave you speechless. With every new discovery, we unlock more potential not only to treat and heal but to empower individuals to take charge of their health. Picture yourself 20 years from now, living in a world where your health is monitored, treated, and managed by sophisticated nanotechnology systems that work tirelessly, almost invisibly, to keep you thriving. This vision of the future is not far-fetched, it's on the horizon, thanks to the incredible innovations in nanotechnology propelling the biomedical field forward. So, as you think about the future, the questions remain: how will we navigate the ethical landscape of these incredible technologies? How will we ensure equitable access to the revolutionary treatments and therapies they promise? The answers lie in conversations we have today, decisions we make tomorrow, and our collective commitment to harnessing technology for the greater good. As we leave you with these thoughts, remember that the quest for knowledge never ends. The future of biomedical innovations is just beginning, and nanotechnology is shaping its foundation. The more we explore, the more we grow, and the better prepared we'll be to face the challenges of tomorrow. Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovery. Here's to a future filled with potential and promise.